Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how you can share Instagram story to Facebook automatically. So for that, head over to your Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And here, go to your profile. Now you will find the three lines or the settings option on the top right. Head over there. It will lead you to the settings and activity page. From here, go to your account center. Now go to sharing across profiles in the connected experience sections. And here you will find the option of adding accounts. So you have to tap on add account to add your Facebook account too. As you can see, I've already added my Facebook account in here. And here, if I turn on your Facebook story and your Facebook post, I'm only doing the Facebook story one, turning on, because I want to share my Instagram story to Facebook automatically. So once I do it on my Instagram account, it will automatically get shared to my Facebook account. So yeah, this is now done. This is how you can just share your Instagram story to Facebook automatically now. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and let us know if this worked for you, and this will make us very happy to know. We'll see you in the next video.